I got about a tablespoon of ghee and put it into a pan. Now I'm going to add some cumin seeds in there. Oops, guess my pan wasn't hot enough. They should be sizzling. Anyways, once they sizzle, give it like 20-30 seconds. And then we are going to add in the peas. They're starting to sizzle. Now I'm going to add in 2 bay leaves. I forgot to mention that. I have some peas, about a bowl of peas. Now I'm going to add these in. Here I have some garlic salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. Gonna add that in. Mix it all up, then we can add our water. I'm using 2 cups of basmati rice, so I'm gonna add in 4 cups of water. So I mixed all the spices, mixed everything together. Now I'm going to add the 4 cups of water and turn up the heat a little bit and bring it to a boil. While we wait for this to come to a boil, I want to show you that I have the 2 cups of basmati rice in here. I washed it and I soaked it for like 10 to 15 minutes. So once this comes to a boil, I'm going to drain the rice and then just add it in here. The water has come to a boil. I drained the rice, well, most of it, and then I'm going to add it in. I added the rice in, I mixed it up. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to put the lid on it and just cook it on low heat. Turn the heat to low and cook it for 20 minutes. And then it's done. It's ready to serve, ready to eat. Right now is when you want to check for salt. Make sure the salt's to your liking. My Baji Mona taught me how to make this back in 2007. And I never really get to make it because my husband doesn't like peas in his rice. But this rice is just super flavorful and super delicious, and I'm so very thankful that she made it for me plenty of times and that I got to enjoy it. And I'm just very thankful that she taught me how to make it. After 20 minutes, the rice is done. I hope you guys give this a try. It's super delicious. Please like, comment, and subscribe.